Hello Jewels, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be getting ready with this beautiful unit from My First Wig and its lovely outfit from Pressed ATL. Let's get ready. I'll have all the details of this unit below. For the record, I will never use an automatic curler with short hair again. It gave me a lot of hassle, so this should just be used on long hair. My suggestion. Full of body. Look how beautiful that color looks. I also tried out this olive oil gel grip and the spray, and I actually did not like those items. I would prefer to use the Got to Be Glued. If you choose to use it, just know if you sweat, get a little bit wet on your unit, it will not stay. It will come right off. Woo! And I'm done. What do you think, you guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell for future uploads. Bye, Jewels. Thanks for watching.